Okay, yes, we are now recording. So welcome everyone to a not live Hangout. This is really a MicroProfile 4 release call. So it is December 22nd, and we are preparing to launch MicroProfile 4 tomorrow. If you're on the call, please add your name to the list of contributors, and someone could paste the link. That would be awesome too. I'll pull it up. Everyone shared responsibility to take notes. This call is being recorded, as is the chat. So both will be uploaded to YouTube after the call. And thanks, Martin. Okay, so I guess first from the technical side, Edwin, Martin, Emily, everything's ready?
Yeah, we're ready to go. Basically, everything released, all the links worked. So that's awesome.
Okay, yeah, I didn't link check the actual 4.0 release, but if you guys have already checked it, that's awesome.
Yeah, checked. 3 pair of eyes. So
everything is working. We are done from technical side.
Okay, and I don't know if someone was that Martin or?
Yeah, Martin was.
That's Martin me. Was... My shitty microphone. Sorry about that.
Hey, this is recorded, man. It's too much.
Sorry about that too.
That out.
I'm already on PTO today.
There you go.
Yeah, me too.
Hopefully it's not permanently now.
You know, this is truly showing the community dedication. I'm off today as well, so.
Same here.
Here you go.
These are my 3 hours in the evening also, so.
Yeah, there you go. I'm officially not off, but you know what's nice is everyone else is, so that I have free reign to do the stuff I've always wanted to do but never had time. So, okay. So let's see. All right. So from a technical perspective, we're set. I did update the slide deck. Actually, while I look up the slide deck, Tatiana, if you want to go over your graphics, if someone wants to pull up the
so
IO, right?
Yeah, the site is already updated. There is new information there, and also the graphics, and also the graphic is on the document for the press release, so we can use them for sharing. Emily, just for you to know, right now you're sharing your Slack.
Oh gosh, I thought it's this screen.
Oh, is there anything juicy?
No, I'm waiting for you to start.
No, seriously, if there's stuff on there that you don't want on YouTube, let me know, and I'll go back and blank that part out.
Should be fine. It's just like a conversation with Martin and Edwin about the code.
All right, good.
Go.
Sorry, Tatiana, go ahead.
No problem. Yeah.
Is this now okay?
Yeah. Now we see the site here.
Thank you.
So yeah, basically we've changed everything that is connected with number 4 version. The only concerns that I have right now is that on the site we have updated points with orange, and in the presentation it is vice versa. It's like updated is blue and not touched are orange. So this is not some blocker or something. I just noticed that because it might be a bit misleading, that we are going to use that image from the presentation in the blog post with different with like vice versa colors. So this is just one point that I would like to mention.
Right. So in here, this deck, and this.
Yeah, you can open press release. There is also the slide, that slide from.
Oh, I see.
This one, yeah.
updated blue, no change orange. Yeah, it's I think it's better to be consistent if we can.
So what are we going to do? Are we going to change it in the presentation, or should we change it?
I think the presentation is always uses this color. I think maybe it's better to change the website if that's possible. If it's not possible, I mean, maybe we can change the presentation. Is that going to be a bigger problem or not?
No, I don't think this will be a problem. We will just change the colors.
Yeah.
And
that would be good. Thank you.
okay.
I
Yeah,
really like this.
Is that the colors the way they were before? Have we changed anything color-wise?
No, that was before. We just before there was like blue and orange, because some of them were not changed and some of them were changed, and right now everything is orange because everything was changed.
Yeah, so I think what I would do, so Ryan kind of owns the look and feel of this. I prefer we don't change it without his input, to be honest, Emily. It might be that the brighter colors are good for a home page and the darker colors, right? I'm just throwing stuff out. It's not my area of expertise. I agree consistency would be nice, but I don't know. I'd rather have Ryan as kind of the designer have his input on that.
I thought this is a new one. Is the old one is also updated use orange, Titiana?
So yeah, the updated on the site always were mentioned with the orange color. Yeah, and no changes with the
change it was blue.
Yeah, I don't know who was deciding on the colors, so maybe we need to stick to these colors as we do. Maybe it's better to change it in the presentation then.
Okay, yeah, that's fine. I thought this is newly added. Yeah, if Ryan already chose this one, yeah, I agree. As John said, maybe we talk to Ryan to see. But it's good to be consistent. Well observed. I didn't notice this.
Yeah, me neither. So it's.
I didn't either.
Maybe that's
Cool,
because
so-
I'm working with our site all the time and I'm noticing all little small pieces already. So this is like some kind of illness from my side. Yeah.
Attention to details.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So basically, right now the only that is left is to publish the blog post itself and to spread it. Am I correct?
Yeah, I think so. Yes.
John, what do you think about the this blog post? Are you finished with your editing, and is it something that we should do something there?
Yeah, I did a bunch of edits. It looks like Emily added something there.
I did a quick note. I just say no to do this one because it's the incompatible change already included.
Okay.
And then I did my task about the starter. Yeah, I did all this. I promised to do. I have done all this. I think it looks good. I like the bullet point and etc. It looks good.
Yep.
I have a quick read. I had a glimpse of it. I have a quick read later and then today, and then to see whether there's any kind of things that I spotted.
Okay. Yeah, I went through and checked the links that Stefan had because I was hoping to find something broken because he found something broken in my slide deck, so I wanted revenge. But it didn't work out that way. So all his links were good. Thanks, Martin, for reviewing the slide deck. I fixed a couple of broken links or incorrect links. So I think the slides are okay as well, but we'll get that in a second.
Okay.
Are there any comments that need to be resolved
Yes.
in
Yeah,
this
I
deck?
made the slight changes when I was copying information for individual specs from the slide deck, and especially only I like make backwards incompatible changes as a separate bullet with a link for all the specification, because I thought it's better to be consistent. So last two bullets are same for all the specs, which you are not doing in a slide deck. Otherwise, it's the same as slide deck.
Okay.
So this is so basically the other thing to do is change the color, right?
Yeah, I'll be honest. It's not something. I'll be
Yeah,
honest.
this is
I
not
feel
a
religious
blocking
about.
point. Yeah, surely. This is not a blocker.
Yes.
Here I have a question about the timing. At what time are we going to schedule this publication? Because, for example, from my side, usually I have some releases or something like that at about 2 p.m. Central European time. Then it takes the beginning of United States morning and covers Europe and morning of United States. What do you think?
Normally it's like, is that like 8 a.m. Pacific time?
Something like that, yeah, 8 a.m.
Okay, that's about right.
So where are we? How do we announce this? Are we going to add a blog post on the MicroProfile.io? That's it. And then we also tweet about it, right?
Yeah, we're going to publish it on the MicroProfile blog and then tweet from MicroProfile account.
Right. So that's all we do. Are the right? That's a kind of the whole announcement package.
Well, so far as I understand, there are no like PR tools or something connected with MicroProfile. So
what about LinkedIn? Do we also have a I can't remember. Do we have a LinkedIn account for MicroProfile?
Sorry, do we have a link to what was that?
LinkedIn account for MicroProfile.
Oh,
Oh,
LinkedIn.
LinkedIn?
Yeah,
I didn't know we had one.
yeah. I reference it sometimes, but I haven't actually ever checked if it's really active.
Oh, okay.
No.
So maybe we should look at it next year. See.
Yeah, these kinds of stuff. I think you should write them down. No? And it's,
Yeah,
Yeah.
there is a profile of the company MicroProfile, but I don't know who has access there to publish anything.
Yeah, I don't.
Okay, so maybe we just tweet about it, and then
Yeah,
in
maybe let's just try to retweet from our personal and our accounts of our projects or something like this to spread it a bit more.
Sounds good. Now, can you scroll down just below the diagram? I think there's a link to the presentation. Oh, scroll up, sorry, it's just under the diagram. You'll see a link.
Yeah.
That's different than the link from yesterday. I copied it to a new deck because, well, there's two reasons. One is it was created under an account that, under my Red Hat account, and I can't share that link publicly. I can share it to individuals. It's really weird. So I copied it into this slide deck, which is owned by the MicroProfile account. Okay, so that's how I want it. You know, that's where things kind of should be done. So this deck is owned by the MicroProfile account, and then we can go in and edit it as ourselves. If you look, Tatiana, at microprofile.io, if you go under the resources link, I think it's resources. Yeah, there's the presentation. We'll want to link to this deck. So to get the presentation.
Get the presentation and
yeah, links to 3.3.
Okay.
And I can't edit 3.3. It's owned by, you know, like an Eclipse account or something like that. I can't even edit it. So Yeah,
Okay.
if you could link to the 4.0 slide deck, that would be awesome.
Okay, I will add the link and get the presentation.
Are we in the same?
Is it this one right?
Well, some are in the live marketing hangout and some are in,
Yeah, I see.
some
No,
are
yeah.
in the live hangout. We're editing
My
two different
my brain
docs,
was like, what? Okay, yeah. No, I
but that's
see it.
okay.
Yeah.
You know, we could just link back to the marketing docs. I'm not sure if the marketing doc should be an open link, so we can link to that.
Yeah. Oh, hang on. So are we in the marketing live hangout, or we are in the? Am I in the wrong place?
There is no right or wrong place right now because it's kind of both meetings merged. So I'll tell you what, let's just edit the marketing minutes, and I'm going to put a link here, a comment here saying notes are in doc minutes. All I got to do is spell properly. Tell you, you got to be really nimble when people are editing above you. Okay. And I will link to the marketing minute. Oops, is that the right link? Yep, it is. Okay. I mean, I don't know if there's much else to talk about, unless anyone else has topics. We got the graphic, we got the blog, we got the deck, the website's updated.
I think we forgot to take the community hangout photo.
Forgot to do what?
Amelia's special
Oh
editing.
yeah, yeah.
But
No,
the press release, I've lost what we were doing with that.
that's the blog post.
That is a plot. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm sharing the live hangout minutes, and then do we have the right contribute? I think Summers, can you add yourself here? The marketing hangout.
To the marketing hangout? Sure. I was in the community hangout document. My bad.
We were kind of split brained on that.
Yeah, sorry. Yeah.
This is quantum meeting.
Yeah, I think it's great. It's a kind of, we are nearly there.
So at this point, I think at 8 a.m. tomorrow, we just, I think, Tatiana, are you going to send out the tweet on that?
Yeah, I think that at 2 p.m. Central European, this is about 8 a.m. EST time, I'm going to publish the blog post, this one. Also till that time, I think that I will ask designer to change the coloring of this scheme, so we will update it inside before the publication. Then I will also update the link to the presentation on this site in the blog resources. And yeah, 2 p.m. Central European time, I'm publishing and sharing through the Twitter. And then I will write the email to the MicroProfile marketing group with the links to the blog post and to the Twitter. So for you guys to share it through your channels.
Yeah, sounds good.
I think we're kind of set.
Yeah, just enjoy, sit back and enjoy.
We're in cruise control now. All the hard work's been done.
Yeah,
Okay, almost. Tatiana's got a few action items, but for everybody else, we're done.
Yeah.
But we're with you in spirit entirely.
I really love this, Titiana. You did an awesome job.
That's awesome. It really is.
Yeah, the color contrast is awesome. Really good.
Yeah, a bit of Christmas mood.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, when you tweet, yeah, make sure you get this.
Yeah,
And
sure, sure. Yeah, I added
Yeah.
the simple one in case, like, if later, like, not only around Christmas time, someone decides to share some news about 4.0 release, so they can use not Christmas version. So, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Do we have the text for the tweet? Is there any, like, or is it just
Okay.
the card? Is there any text?
Yeah, let's maybe think about the text. Let me find somewhere. I was before the call. I was like hurrying up to write something.
We post on put on the live hangout meeting minutes.
Yeah.
All right.
Nope. So version refers to, because I didn't finish the writing before the press release.
And you've got the Amelia emojis. Like it's like Amelia's here right now.
She's with us.
Yeah.
So,
basically, with this kind of text, there are only 5 characters left that can suit Twitter.
Yeah, I think we could just make this MicroProfile and not at MicroProfile.io. So I really do think we want to say the MicroProfile. Just say MicroProfile.
Oh yeah.
is now available. Right, so we can also get rid of.
Yeah,
this.
but I just yeah, we are posting from MicroProfile, so it's okay not to.
Right.
And then add a link to MicroProfile.io site. So when you tweet, it can see the front page.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Yeah.
They get to see the artwork twice.
Mm-hmm. I think it's here. You have to do. Oh, sorry.
No.
Let you do it. Go ahead, do it.
Yeah.
Too many drivers.
Well, that could just be a link at the bottom, right?
Yeah, that's a good point. Put a link on the bottom.
Well, the link will be to the blog post. That's why I am not putting it here.
Oh, right.
Right.
Yeah, no, you're right. Yeah, we only want to have one call to action, so the blog post is right. No, good point. Good point.
In this case, we won't be able to get the picture then. Is it
The
just
picture
like
will be uploaded separately to this post.
right? Okay. I'm wondering, if you have a photo and also you have a website, it only show one, right? It doesn't show both. Yeah. Okay. I think it doesn't show the photo. But anyway, on that blog post on the front, you got the Christmassy kind of image.
Yeah, there will be no problem with that. So I know how to do that. So there will be the Christmas image that I pasted in the blog post. So no problem.
All right, I think this looks good.
Okay, so.
Yeah, great. So I think our blog post has a lot of links, so that should be good. Should point to all kinds of different websites.
What if we do that? And when not listing them. I don't know. Because it's, I'll tell you what.
Make it a square bracket.
Okay.
And a major update.
Hopefully we're still under the required number of characters.
Major update. Oh yeah, how many characters? Let me see.
I don't remember how many, but let's check now.
Surely we need to use the Amelia's emoji. What is the the power? Carrying the
We got
sharing.
258 characters.
250.
Well, I pasted like random link also just to check if we will have enough space. So with this text, we still have like one character, so it's okay.
Woohoo!
Oh wow, nice.
Yeah.
So in that case, add a trophy toward the end. Make better use that one space.
Or is it the celebration emoji?
Oh yeah, yeah. Any kind of good emoji there.
Yeah, I was thinking maybe to have a rocket here because this is the launch and then this celebration at the end.
Okay, that works.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that sounds good.
Yeah,
All right.
it's awesome.
I'm gonna try and drop. I think we've kind of covered what we need to cover. I don't know if there's anything outstanding.
I think we are good to go. I don't feel we did any shortcut. I think this is a really good standard. So well done, everybody. So this is really cool.
Yep, and thanks for
Yeah.
taking PTO time to hang on the call, everyone. I mean, that means a lot.
Exactly. Yeah, great.
My
Okay.
pleasure.
Yeah.
No problem.
Last call before New Year, so have great holidays.
Ah, yes.
Yeah.
Merry
Have a
Christmas, Happy
great,
New Year.
yeah, great Christmas and Happy New
Happy
Year.
New Year, Merry Christmas, and all the other happy holidays.
Yeah.
There you go.
To you, everybody.
Thanks, Summers.
Bye.
All right, bye, everyone.
Bye, everybody. Take care.
Bye.
See you
Bye.
in the next one. Bye.
Bye.